Hello, everybody. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great, and I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty God. So, in today's morning, I had my exam at my college, but I could not go to my college because of the rain. As you know, that yesterday the cyclone Remal attacked on our coastal area, so that is why it's raining, and it has been raining since last night. In the morning, I actually get ready to go my college, but I could not go to college because it was so much raining on that time. So that's why I could not able to go my college. So right now I'm here at my house and I'm actually studying right now. I'm trying to improve my English, so that's why I have decided to spend more time on my English in order to improve and progress as well. So that's why I'm nowadays trying to learn a lot of vocabularies as well, so that I can use them when I actually need to use those kinds of vocabulary. So yeah, that's why I'm spending time right now at my learning English journey. Okay, so I'm hearing the noise comes from outside, and I'm actually seeing the rain as well. And it has been raining since last night, so it's a very nice weather, and it's a weather to have a cup of tea and enjoy and listen some classic music as well reading some books. So yeah, it's a very good weather, and I also listened some songs earlier, and then I thought I should study, uh, and I should learn some new vocabularies as well. So that's why now I'm here. And in my behind sneak there's also Reid is studying because his exam is also going on, and my exam also going on. And my exam actually finished today, although I did not go to college to give my exam. But my final exam, year final exam, will be start from next month to end June. So that's why I'm also in the evening I'm trying to read for a long time in my academic study. So yes, it's very important to make a good preparation for the exam in order to make a good result. So yeah, that's very important things. And okay, so right now I'm here at my study at my home, and I'm actually trying to learn some new vocabularies as well. So yeah, it's very important to learn to acquire some skills, and yes, so it's very important. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.